Hello everybody, and I would like to welcome you to, well, it's not the next episode of Makinamoto Features. Bago kasi ako lumarga ngayon, pagkainit-init, magmamotor ako, meron dumating dito kasi kagabi na isang motor na gawang Pinas, in the sense that it was manufactured, yung bodyworks, yung metalworks ng motor na ito was done and manufactured in Silang, Cavite, and may dumaan kasi. And the bodyworks naman ay gawa sa Bulacan. This is a fully electric, it's a full electric big bike po ito, and it is also highway legal. Papakita ko po sa inyo ngayon. There it is. This is the Utitco Model 1 SR. As you can see, I did talk to these guys and sinabi nila na it is Z1000 inspired, as you can see out front. Very Z1-ish. But this is like just one of their prototypes. Ito yung isa sa mga ginagawa nila para may pa-demo nila at para meron silang may maipakita na. So, I'm excited to ride this because the implications na nakabuo sila ng ganito. There's the hub. Single monoshock. Ayan yung baterya. Kita nyo. There's the battery. Para malabo yung lente ko. Pinasan natin. Yan, much clearer. Utitco. So they have a website and you can check out kung ano meron sa website nila, the models, the upcoming shapes. Again, this is a prototype na Z1 inspired. Now check it out. Pag inundar ko to, pakinggan yung tunog. Ang kulit, no? Obviously, hindi ko siya pwede i-rev dahil automatic siya. I mean, wala naman tayo nakikitang cambio. Electric nga siya. And may tunog. I rode it around the village for about 2-3 minutes. At yung tunog niya nandun lang. Ting re-rev ka. So may speaker dito somewhere to accommodate that. So one of the highlights of this, naka-biometric siya. So ikaw lang makakagamit fingerprints mo para paanda rin siya. And I believe that is the first electric big bike na may ganun, may biometrics para paanda rin siya. Now, the potential of this, if you think about it, which is why I feel na this is a very important release for us as motorcycle enthusiasts and motorcycle riders, is because yung frame nito gawa sa Silang, Cavite. Yung bodyworks nila, tinira nila sa Bulacan. Kung Pilipinas, kaya nila. The battery, some of the motors are sourced out in Taiwan and China, but they put it all together to form this one. So hindi siya, kumbaga yung kakayahan nila para to really start from, I would say, semi-scratches there, kasi pwede nilang ibahin yung forma at will kasi Philippine soil nila ginagawa yung pinaka-shape niya. I mean, they're not importing everything and just assembling it over here. Utitco is a local company. It is a local brand. They have a website, utitco.com. You can check that out. And yeah, I'm gonna ride this all weekend. I'm gonna see how this thing fares. First time ako makakasubok ng ganito kalaking electric bike. And big bike at that. Tapos freeway legal pa. Naka-register na siya. And it is registered as an electric big bike or something like that. So, etong shape na to, of course, I don't think they're allowed to sell a shape so close to the Kawasaki Z1000. It's gonna be a different shape. This is their prototype lang. Ganun siya ka-fresh, ganun siya ka-bago. Okay? Lalabas ba sila sa Makinamoto Show? Abang-abang tayo dyan, but I'd like to remind you about the show. April 26, 27, 28, 2 weeks away. It's the biggest moto event in our country. Marami pong marirelease ng mga bagong bike doon, mga launches. Silang lahat may ilo-launch, may papakita sila mga bagong bike sa atin. So, kita-kita po tayo dyan. April 26, 27, 28 at the SMX Convention Center, Manila. Isang tingin ulit sa ating bike. TFT na rin sila. So yun, exciting, di ba? Wow. The future is here. Electric bikes. Looking forward. Abang-abang sa makina. Ciao.